I don't know about you guys, but I have so many chrome pots just lying around. So we're gonna go ahead and take this dry powder and turn it into like a liquid. And the magic trick is just regular store-bought alcohol that I put into a spray bottle. So let's just jump right in. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a tip that I've already prepped. I also have flat square brush, and I just put some alcohol on the tip of my brush. I got my wet brush. Let's go ahead and kind of mix this up and let's see what we get. Ooh, fancy, fancy. And evenly spread it on. Ooh, that's sexy. So of course this is alcohol, right? So we need to kind of work a little quick. I don't know if you get, that is pretty. When the surface is dry, we're gonna go ahead and rub all of that chrome powder in lightly, not digging into the surface or trying to reconstitute and get the underneath, the black all smudgy. We definitely don't want to do that. And the recommendation for doing a black base is just, it always helps to enhance the chrome. And another tool after you do this technique is you need your smudge-free top coat. This is the only top coat that I would recommend using over powder. So let's go ahead and seal this. So what do you guys think? Oh boy, can you guys name this color? Super cool, huh?